My name is Hayden Smith. I'm co-founder and CTO of Pearler, a Sydney-based investing company with about 15 people in it. Pearler is a community of everyday people who are trying to help build long-term wealth. What we do is we try and take successful savers who might not have the most experience with investing and provide them the ability to go and invest in different types of products like managed funds or shares in the stock market in whatever way suits them. So what makes Pearler unique is the fact that a lot of other platforms made it quite difficult to just invest in a simple way. There'd be a lot of charts and data that you don't need. So most shares platforms would have be essentially trading platforms for people trying to buy and sell all day, whereas Pearler's really focused on the long term. Most of our users only buy because they're interested in holding for the long term, not checking their data every day, not looking at the stock market going up or down, but just thinking 10 or 20 years in advance. How Pearler works, it's essentially a website or a mobile app. And what users can do is they can go and sign in, sign up, deposit money into the platform from their own bank account. And then whether they manually or automatically put that money in, they can buy shares with it, they can build a whole portfolio, they can set targets in their portfolio, invest in small funds in tiny amounts. Pretty much everything across the investing spectrum, from novice investors who have $5 to invest and don't know where to start, all the way through to some serious shares investors who have complex account structures and very specific portfolio needs. Yeah, we have a lot of very exciting things coming up in Pearler over the next 6 months. Some of the immediate examples are making investing easier for parents who want to invest on behalf of their children. We also have a lot of plans to automate things further so that Pearler can be your one-stop shop when it comes to putting money in tons of different places from your income you get every month or savings you have, and just generally trying to be a better wealth management platform where it's not just about investing, because people put money into their house, they put money into their savings account, and we want to help provide that one-stop shop solution for all of those things in one place. The reasons that we decided to partner with Basiq were essentially just the friendly, transparent atmosphere from the team on day one. That was very exciting for us. We found the pricing was very fair and no surprises. We knew exactly what we were dealing with very early, and our speed to market was quite high. We had the API documentation right there. We could get our engineers straight on it. It did not take us very long to essentially get something up to trial, and then from there we just kind of fell in love with what we could do with the product. Pearler uses Basiq quite extensively on the platform, particularly in the open banking area, to be able to read information from our customers' bank accounts. There's a whole lot of stuff we do with this. This includes bank account verification when customers sign on, because when we do pull money from customers' accounts, we want to make sure it's theirs as much as possible. We also use Basiq to look up customers' transactions history if they opt in for the roundup feature, where we essentially round up their purchases as they're using them on their credit card, and we pull in the difference so they can invest little bits all the time throughout the week. And we're also looking to use Basiq in some other interesting ways around helping customers move money out of their transactional account, their everyday account, and send it to different savings accounts automatically, making their kind of cash management process a little bit easier than it is with the banks currently.